Going to week 4 of online learning. You can tell it's getting to be week 4 because my hair is getting longer and longer. I'm sure yours is too. I hope you had a great break. I did. I really did a lot of nothing, but I'll give you one viewing tip. I watched Money Heist, which, if you haven't watched it on Netflix, is awesome. It's in Spanish with English subtitles, but it's really good and kind of addictive. Okay, class this week. You're going to be talking about, we're going to be looking at theatrical genre. I think most of you think that theatrical genre is comedy and tragedy, the two masks that we've all seen 100 times. But actually, there's about 146 subgenres of theater. Before you panic, we're not taking notes or learning all of them, but we're going to dig into a few. In particular, one, documentary theater, because we're reading The Laramie Project, which will most likely be our fall play for next year. So we're going to read Act 1 this week. Then, just so you get a sense and an overview of different genre, I'm going to direct you to a video site, the TDF directory. TDF is an organization that you can look up online, tdf.org. I'm a member. You can, when you join, I think you have to be a student or a teacher or a union member. I'm not sure of the exact rules. You get offers for reduced price theater tickets. So I go see a lot of things that way through TDF. I've gotten Broadway tickets for as little as $49 for some really good seats. When it's summer festival time and there's all kinds of little theaters going on off Broadway, you can get $9 tickets to see things. Sometimes it's fun to just go see something that no one's heard about. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're awful, most of the time they're somewhere in the middle. But there's something educational about that too, figuring out what you like, what you don't like, why. So, back to the TDF dictionary. You're going to watch a video, and the way I asked you to pick it, so we all don't watch the same one, is to pick a video, a topic, that starts with either the first letter of your first name or the first letter of your last name. So go into the directory, and so let's take Marissa. Marissa would either look for a topic starting with M or starting with S. And if there's nothing that fits either one of your initials, go to the top and take one of the numbered ones. I think there's 10 of 12 and there's 11 o'clock number or something like that. Watch the video, learn something, then go to the discussion board. There's a link on the Haiku page and talk about what you learned. Then you're going to make a video. I think it'll be, I'm looking forward to being entertained. So entertain me. You're going to teach me what documentary theater is by doing a little bit of research first, and then teaching me what it is. Don't bore me. Make it a video you would want to watch. Maybe do it for your younger sibling, or do it for mom or dad, or do it for one of your friends and share it with them and see if they understand it. No more than 90 seconds. Keep it really brief, make it fun, and teach us what documentary theater is. Where I'm going with this, just so you can start to see how my wheels are turning, is that next week's assignment is that you're going to construct a piece of documentary theater. And the other thing we're going to do is go back into that long ago document that we created called What is Theater, if you remember that one. And you're going to talk about theatrical genre. That you've learned this year that theater isn't just comedy and tragedy, that there's so much more and so much to it. And we'll have some activities and some puzzles and games next week to play with that. Drop into office hours and chat. This Friday we're going to be talking about the Laramie Project, which you're reading Act 1 of, and we're going to talk about it on Friday. If you come, it's extra credit. Also, congratulations to the cast and crew. A lot of you were costumes. Some of you were in Metamorphoses. We were nominated for 8 Foxy Awards. That's kind of an OT record. I think Our Town was nominated for 2. Don't Drink the Water was nominated for 4. And Metamorphoses, we've jumped to the big leagues with 8 nominations. It really just reinforces what an exceptional show that was and an experience for all of us who were part of it. And we'll celebrate that a little bit in Theater Talk on Friday. As always, I'm here online by myself from 9 to 12 every day. Drop in and just say hello. You just have to click on the link and we'll chat. I have gone way over my time. If you've made it to the end, take care